Alright guys, back in the day, back in 2021, you needed over 1000 subscribers in order to get the community tab. Now, the year is 2022, I had to check that. And all you need now are 500 subscribers. But let's say you surpass that goal, you have well over 500 subscribers, but you still don't have your community tab. What you guys need to pay attention to is the fact that you need to wait up to a week after surpassing 500 subscribers in order to get your community tab. Now let's say you've waited way over a week, you still don't have your community tab. Well, what can you do? All you have to do is click on your profile icon, then click on send feedback, and you need to write something along the lines of dear YouTube, comma, it has been X days. Just write the amount of days which have passed since you reached 500 subscribers. Since I met the criteria for getting a community tab, yet it is still not here. Is this a bug? Question mark. And you want to include a screenshot. Make sure you click on highlight, and then you just gotta highlight your tabs and make sure that they see there is no community tab if that is your issue. So yeah, after that all you have to do is press done and then send. This should get YouTube's attention and it should help you resolve this issue. If you have over 500 subscribers, it has been more than a week since you reached that goal and you still don't have a community tab. So yeah guys, this is how you get a community tab in 2022. Thank you for watching. Take care everyone. Bye bye.